So look, guys, let's see what this code means, right? So this code we have written for machine learning project, and it is very easy to write this code, using AI, right? So nowadays, ChatGPT and Bard is very famous, and you can take the help of for this code. But we will explain this code to you, what this code means, right? So we will go, we will split this entire explanation into bits and pieces, and then I'm going to explain you what this code means, right? So here, if you see the first section, this section, we have imported a pandas, we have imported sklearn tree, that all this stuff. So the pandas is a tool used for working with the data in table-like format. So we are also called as a data frame. Now the decision tree classifier, right? So uh, decision tree classifier is nothing but a machine learning model used for making a prediction based on the pattern in data. Okay. Now we will move to train, test, and split. So what does it mean exactly? So this is a function used to split your data into two sets. One for training the model, and other one is for the testing how well it works. Okay. And then accuracy score, right? So if I explain you this, this is a function that we compare the model prediction with the actual value to measure how accurate it is. Okay, so I hope you got this logic. Now let's move on to the next section. Now we have imported the books, so this is very simple. So this is a line is load a data from the file called books.csv into the table format. That is a data frame called the book data. Okay, so you can think of this as loading a information about a book like the title, author, type, etc. into the table. Okay, so if I just run this data frame over here, you can see that we have age, gender, and book type, right? So now we'll move on to the next one. We have used this code, this two code, right? So basically, this is nothing but the A basically represent all the column of a data except for the column book type. So these are the features, the detail about the books like the title, author, etc. So that will help to predict the book type. And the B section, this one, okay, the capital B, is represent only the book type column which contain the target. Okay. So what we want to predict, like whether a book is the fiction or non-fiction, or what kind of a book we want, mystery, fantasy, romantic, all this kind of stuff. Okay. Now let's move on to this one, this section of the code. So this is nothing but here the data is split into the two part, like 80% of the data is used to train the model, the train, and B is like A train and the B train, like, and the remaining 20% is used to test the model performance. Okay, so A test and the B test. Okay, so this is that kind of data. And if I explain you the fifth one, the model, this two line of code. So basically, this create a decision tree model and train it using the A train data features and B train a data book type. And the model learn the pattern in the data that link the book detail to their type, like fiction, non-fiction, mystery, like horror, romance, etc. Okay, now let's move on to the last section of the code, which is these three lines. So after the training, the model makes the prediction on the test data, like A underscore test, and trying to predict the book type for the that test set. Okay, and the accuracy score, right? So accuracy score for this one, it is a function is compare the model prediction to the actual type, that is a B underscore test. Okay, and calculate how accurate the prediction was. Okay, and now the last section, the result section. Okay, so the score is nothing but the result section. This is the final result that we will going to see, is tell you the percentage of the correct prediction made by the model. Okay, so this is the explanation of this code. I hope you understand this code. So if you like my videos, you can just hit the like button, and you don't forget to subscribe my channel, because this will give me a boost to create a new video for you guys. So please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to subscribe that, and don't forget to share this channel to everyone who want to learn the machine learning, who are from the non tech background, and they want to create some goodwill, in the data analytics world or data science world. Just like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for your time.